Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to add a non-root user account in your Kali VM. Alright, so let's talk about why we actually need a non-root user in Kali. So see, by default, the root user has full control and unrestricted access over the system. While this level of access is sometimes necessary for administrative tasks, but it also comes with significant amount of risk, which can compromise your system or even completely damage your operating system. So that's why security professionals always recommend to use a non-root account for your daily operations. Alright, as you can see, I am on my Kali VM right now, and the first thing we are going to do is create a non-root user. And the reason for this I have explained is that logged in as a root all the time is very risky. So to create a non-root user account, keep in mind you have to be logged in as a root or have an account with administrator privileges. Otherwise, these command won't work. Alright, now what we are going to do is we are going to add a user. So to add a user, we use add user command and then we specify the type. And that type is essentially the name of the account we are creating. Once you run this, it will ask for a password and you have to re-enter the password and some optional details like full name. What you can do is just press enter to skip those if you don't need them. And in the last it will ask for if this information correct. Yes, we want to hit Y for yes. And there we are. That's essentially how to add a non-root user in Kali. Alright, now we have created our non-root account in Kali. So if I want to switch into this account right now, I can just type Sue and name of the account and wait for few seconds, and there we go. Now I am logged in as the new non-root user on VM. So this way you can keep your Kali system much safer rather than using the root account, and you can switch back to the root user whenever you really need root privileges. And if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.